Welcome to Unit 2, Basics. Today we're going to have a tour of the camera. We're going to talk about some basic features of it. So when recording video, you'll want to flip open the viewfinder. The viewfinder can rotate to the angle that's best for your shot. You can also turn the screen all the way around in front so that you can see what you're recording if you need to be in front of the camera. On the side of the camera lens, you'll see two switches. One is for autofocus and manual focus, and the other is for the image stabilizer. In the next unit, we'll talk more about the auto and manual focus, but for now, let's stick to the image stabilizer. When this switch is on, the image stabilizer activates. When the image stabilizer is on, it will steady any shots that aren't using a tripod. However, when you are using a tripod, you'll want to turn this off to save battery life. Next, we're going to talk about setting white balance. White balance is really important in videography because it adjusts the color to the right tone for your shot. White balance does two major things. One, it sets the proper color tone for your environment, and two, it prevents the need for color correcting in post-production. To set white balance, on the main screen, first press the Q button. New options will appear on the screen, and some of them will be highlighted in orange. Press the down arrow until the white balance option is highlighted in orange. Then use the left and right buttons to scroll through the white balance options. Choose the proper white balance setting for your environment. Although auto white balance may seem easier to use, it can cause problems in your shot. If the lighting changes around you, the camera will try to adjust by changing the white balance setting, and your colors will change throughout the shot. Importing footage is relatively easy, but it will vary depending upon which editing software you're using. The first step is to make sure your SD card is in your camera. Next, plug the USB cable into the camera and into the computer. Then, turn the camera on and wait for the computer to recognize the camera. The last step is to open your editing software and import the footage depending upon which software you're using. If your computer has an SD card slot, then you can skip all of these steps and just put the SD card into your computer. Once it shows up on your computer, just import the footage into your editing software.